Hello everyone. Today's mini lesson is all about the Fab Four. So you were asked to choose 4 words that resonate from you from a part of Notes from the Midnight Driver. So you have to choose 4 words, and then you're going to use the words in sentences to describe maybe one of the characters, maybe it's part of the setting, or part of the plot. And it could be any part of the plot. It could be the conflict, it could be a rising action, it could be a falling action, it might even be the end of the book, or the complete opposite, the inciting incident that really gets things going. So I want to share with you a little example. The part that really stood out for me was the chapters A Night for Surprises and the next chapter, which moves into darkness. So I chose these 4 words. I chose realization, concert, key, and mature. And I chose these because I really felt that this was a turning point in the story, a big part where Alex had some significant realizations. Okay, so when I put these into sentences, I decided to share this about it. I said that Alex had many realizations about Saul's situation, along with his own. After the concert, that was a particular part of the setting, he acted very maturely because we know in the beginning, Alex was not owning any of his actions. So now I felt like he acted very maturely and he reflected on his previous actions. He also, in these chapters, finds a key, and he knows that it belongs to something special of Saul. So this stands out with me. It really does. I was happy that he realized these things, and I knew something was going to be coming about with this key. So it really propelled some action forward and made me want to read. So when you choose your words, try to think of words that really stood out. I had to go back into the chapter to do that, and a couple of them came pretty easily to me, but I really had to go back and think about it. So I wasn't just writing random sentences or random thoughts that happened. I picked a part of the story, of the plot, that really moved me. I thought about it a lot. It was a changing part of the story, and it really resonated with me. So you pick apart an area, an event of the story that did the same for you. But remember, it's just 4 words. And if you can put all those 4 words in one sentence, awesome. If you want to put it into multiple ones like I did, that's okay too. All right. I can't wait to see the 4 words that you've chose and how and what they mean to you and how you use them.